First of all, let's talk about with replacement and without replacement. With replacement, after selecting an item, you put it back before the next selection. For without replacement, once an item is selected, it's gone. It's not returned to the pool. With replacement, each selection is independent, and the probabilities stay the same. For without replacement, each selection is dependent, and the probabilities change. Example 4 with replacement: drawing a card from a deck, recording it, and put it back before drawing again. Without replacement example: drawing a card from a deck and keep it before drawing the next. Let's go to 7a. A card is chosen at random from a standard deck of 52 cards. With replacement, a second card is chosen. What is the probability that both cards chosen will be queens? First queen, second queen. The probability of choosing the first queen. There are 4 queens out of 52 cards. The probability of choosing second queen. Since this is with replacement, you put the first queen back. We still have 4 queens out of 52 cards. Do the multiplication. We got 1/169. Let's go to 7b. This time, without replacing it, means without replacement. What's the probability that both cards chosen will be queens? The probability of choosing the first queen, 4 out of 52 cards. The probability of choosing second queen. Without replacement means we won't put the first queen back to the deck. So totally there are 51 cards left. Out of 51 cards, there are 3 queens left, equals 1/221. Let's go to 8.1. A box contains 7 green, 5 yellow, and 4 red marbles. 2 marbles are drawn at random with replacement. What's the probability of each event occurring? A. Drawing the first green, second red. Key words here is with replacement. Let's draw a box. We need to draw 2 marbles. First marble is green. Second marble is red. The probability of getting green for the first marble is 7/16. The probability of getting red for the second marble is 4/16. Because with replacement, The total number won't change. Answer is 7 over 64. B. Drawing one green and one red. This time you need to consider the order. These two marbles could be the first one green, second one red, or the first one red, second one green. First one green, second one red, we already got from here. 7 over 16 times 4 over 16. First one red is 4 over 16. Second one green is 7 over 16. We need to add these two together. Equals 7 over 32. C. Drawing two red marbles. You don't have to consider the order because the first one red, second one is also red. 4 over 16 times 4 over 16 equals 1 over 16. D. Neither of them is yellow. Not yellow for the first one. 11 over 16. Not yellow for the second one. 11 over 16. So we get 121 over 256. Let's go to 8.2. Everything is the same except this time without replacement. Which means after you take the first marble, you won't put it back. A. Drawing the first one green and a second red. Green, red. Probability of getting the first green is 7 over 16. After you got one green, you won't put it back. So we have 15 left. Out of 15, there are 4 red. Equals 7 over 60. B. Drawing one green and one red. Still, you need to consider the order. Could be first green, second red, or the first red, second green. Green red is 7 over 16 times 4 over 15. Probability of getting the first red is 4 over 16. Since it's without replacement, 15 total left. Out of 15, 7 are green. Then we add this together. We got 7 over 30. C. Drawing two red marbles. Since two marbles are both red, you don't need to consider the order. First red, 4 over 16. Second red, 3 over 15. Equals 1 over 20. D. Neither of them is yellow. The first is not yellow. 11 over 16. Second is not yellow. 15 left. Not yellow will be 10. Equals 11 over 24.